Yes, on the line from Accra is Hilary Lamotey of New World Renaissance to give us a rundown of the latest. Hilary, are you there? How did you view the week's trade?
Yeah, I think it was a much improvement over the previous session's trading. As you rightly said, the total accumulated turnover was 2.3 million. That was about 6% increase over the other week's trading. And as usual, you had the banking sector dominating activity, accounting for about 63% of total trade volume, followed by the insurance with 22%. We expect a similar trend to continue throughout this week with the banking sector, and we also expect GCB to continue to post gains on the Ghanaian bourse. They released their first quarter result. It also looked interesting as compared to the other banks. So we expect that the trend to continue throughout this week.
On a more macroeconomic level, what about the inflation targeting that's being brought into play by the Ghanaian government? There have been a lot of questions asked about it in recent months. How do you think it's faring?
Yeah, I think the Bank of Ghana is doing its job. They've been able to bring down inflation consistently throughout the beginning of the year. Currently, it's about 13.62%, and then we expect this trend to continue to probably the third quarter of the year, and then we expect it to stabilize as the year closes. However, this point, I want to make this point, that this is in line with the policy rates that was brought down by the Bank of Ghana. But they are not really happy with the other banks not following through to decreasing their base rate in consistent with the policy rate. So I think the Bank of Ghana is also working on that to ensure that the banks are able to bring down their policy, their base rate, so that more people will go in for credit to enhance economic activities.
I mean, what can the Bank of Ghana do about this if it is concerned?
Yeah, they will talk to the bank. They cannot force them anyway, but they can talk to them and then let them know the need to bring down these rates so that borrowers can go in for more loans.
But it all points to a fairly buoyant situation for Ghana and its economy. I mean, there's reports that there may be 20% growth next year. Is that correct?
Yeah, with the production of oil coming soon, that is an estimate that can be achieved.
What do you think is the greatest hurdle that the Ghanaian economy has to overcome if it does want to get its economy in order, bring down inflation, and also increase growth at the same time?
I think they should be able to manage the oil well. You know, the oil brings so many things. If it's well managed, then we'll be able to overcome any challenge. So I think they've gone round to other countries that are producing oil to see their flaws so that we'll not be making the same mistakes. So I believe that if the government is able to manage this very well, I believe the economy will move stronger and stronger.
And finally, give us a sneak preview. Tomorrow morning, the markets will be open again. What do you think we're going to see from Accra? Yeah,
we expect a high demand in EcoBank Transnational. We also expect a strong demand in GCB as well as Cal Bank. We expect that the price levels could go up because of the kind of demand that we see in these stocks. So this is my preview for tomorrow morning.